Hey YouTube, we are here at Rausch Creek for the monthly Blue Glider ride, and this is the last video in the series. And we are on Tower Road, and all these interesting looking Jeeps and Broncos and things were passing us when we did our little break, so I wanted to include them in some of the footage so you could see that other things outside of Jeeps head out here. Actually, there's a lot of Broncos. Maybe this is a Bronco group? No, there's some Jeeps. And so anyway, we are getting ready to head down to trail number 2, which is also known as Crawler Ridge, which is a badge of honor trail. We're not going to do all of Crawler Ridge, and we're not going to do the segments that actually have the label Crawler Ridge, but we are going to be on trail 2, which is the same trail number, and we will see you guys shortly down there. This is Tower Road leading into the pole line.
Hey, I wanted to point out we are a sponsor of Jeep Club of Maryland, and so if you happen to be in Maryland with your Jeep and you're looking for a really good club, you might consider checking out Jeep Club of Maryland. We're in it also, and they seem like a pretty cool crew and everything. So anyway, back to the trail ride.
Hey, so this is the pole line. I did want to point out, just to be obvious, you see that little sign there where it said green and black. Yeah, that is a humongous hole on the right hand side of that hole that we just passed. Be very careful around any water at Rausch because it can get very deep. So this is trail number 2, the beginning of it, and trail number 2 is Crawler Ridge. This specific part of it doesn't have the name Crawler Ridge like anywhere, like signage anywhere, but this is the same trail. It's a badge of honor trail. It's just way down is the actual ridge part of it that goes like up in the air and everything, the scenic area.
Hey YouTube, so we are on Trail 2. Trail 2 is also known as Crawler Ridge, which is a badge of honor trail at Rausch Creek in the Gladiator. And we are headed toward the Frog Hole, not toward the actual Crawler Ridge, like the actual named little ridge area. And so this area, Crawler Ridge, is really kind of wet and rocky, kind of like going through some very small marshes, I guess. The way that I would think of it as. I mean, it's not super deep. There's little areas that are deep enough to maybe go up to the center of the wheel, but most of it is just a couple inches deep, and it's just a bunch of rocks basically that you drive over through the wet area. So anyway, so we're doing this trail mainly to get to a spot in the park where we can get back to the parking lot without having to go past the competition rocks, because XROCK is going on right now and we don't want to be anywhere near XROCK because we think that it's going to be so crowded and busy over there. But we will go over there afterwards from the parking lot and probably shoot a little video maybe showing off a little bit of the XROCK. So anyway, we will see you guys along the trail. Hey Tube, so that was a frog hole we just passed. The frog hole is a pretty deep hole. I've never actually gone in it, but it's infamous, and apparently a lot of people have destroyed engines and everything in it, so obviously we went around the frog hole. But anyway, that was it. If you wanted to know what it was, we will see you guys around.
Hey, if you did notice, the video is running at all these different speeds. I do speed up the video in different places to try to kind of shorten the videos a little bit, because obviously, you know, we have like 6 or 8 hours worth of footage, and we try to splice it out across hopefully, you know, like 5 or 6 interesting videos. So I try to compress like the areas that are flat like this, and then kind of slow down any areas that look a little more interesting. Hey, so if you don't know where we're at, or if you don't know where we are going, this is the back way to get back to the parking lot. Essentially, there's like 3 different ways to get back to the parking lot. The one way is up near the pole line, but I don't think you're supposed to go in or out that way because it's like kind of a camping area. Then there's where all the rocks are, the competition area, which is where XROCK is right now, so we didn't want to have to go through that big kind of mess of like people and competition, so we decided to go in this back way. So this is where I think the old campground used to be over here. They still have trailers and stuff over here, and you'll see them up here shortly, but it's more like people that like work here that you have those trailers. But this is the back way to get into the parking lot without having to go in where the competition rocks are. So up here on the right hand side, you're going to see very briefly Lynn. She is on that little orange Kubota there with a big pink shirt on. Lynn is like the manager of the park. She's like one of the people that run it. It's like Lynn and Bernie. So anyway, I wanted to point that out. Hey, so the video isn't quite over yet. We are going to jump over to XROCK for like the last minute or two of the video and let you see what's going on with XROCK here at Rausch while we're here. And it will just be a very short amount, brief amount of footage. And obviously we have a whole XROCK series if you want to actually see XROCK competing when they're at Rock and Run. So up here, this is the competition rocks at Rausch Creek. The rainbow flags would be the barriers on the edges of the courses. So you stay in the barriers, and then you're going to see little cones, and there's a competition buggy right there. And the goal is basically to go through all the cones on the route. And it's like negative if you have to like winch or go in reverse, or if you like run over a cone. Like that's kind of like the 101 of competition. So here's some of the different competitors. So the normal looking Jeeps are street legal rock crawling. And that's like they have to be street legal, and it's similar to what we take out on the trail. Then the next level up is what they call mod stock, and mod stock is like a Jeep with just a little bit of equipment on it. Then pro mod is the next one up, which I believe the EPN buggy is a pro mod buggy. And then if the tires are even bigger and everything, I like this one right here. I think the orange one, I think, is unlimited. So it's SLRC, mod stock, pro mod, and then unlimited would be the classes, and you compete within your class. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Thank you.